Welcome back to Car Tech Unlocked. Maserati MCPura is all about intent. The cleaner, sharper, sharp-nosed front and reprofiled splitter push air outward and under control, while the slim lamps give a precise, modern stare. Cooling apertures are purposeful without visual clutter, and the stance communicates low drag and high stability. It reads as a purist supercar face, less ornament, more function, signaling the update's mission: refine the experience without diluting the mid-engine drama. In profile, the proportions stay unmistakably mid-engine, low snout, cabin pushed forward, and a tail that tapers for attached flow. Aerodynamic surfacing is restrained but intentional along the rockers and rear quarters. The doors remain shut to preserve the clean line, yet their hinge geometry hints at theater on command. It's the same carbon core, now presented with slightly leaner detailing for both speed and elegance. The tail tidies airflow with a neater bumper and deep diffuser volume, while the slim lamps stretch the width visually. The stance is broad and planted, communicating high-speed calm. With influence drawn from GT2 and the track-only MCXtrema, the shapes keep air attached and heat moving out. Subtle evolution rather than revolution, but the intent is clear: less drag, more stability, and the visual discipline of a modern Italian supercar. Inside, the update focuses on feel: an improved steering wheel with motorsport inspiration, sculpted seats with technical patterns, and a clean twin-screen layout running Maserati's latest Android-based infotainment. Materials are tactile and contemporary: Alcantara, leather, and exposed carbon, while the interface remains decluttered and quick to read at speed. It's a driver-centric space refined just enough to heighten engagement without stealing focus from the chassis beneath. Viewed from above, the roofline reads like a single sweep that manages pressure while feeding clean air toward the tail. The Cielo's glass roof geometry is suggested by precise cutlines, but the emphasis stays on surface control and proportion. From this angle, the car's width and stance are obvious: broad shoulders, narrow glasshouse, reinforcing a low center of gravity and stable, predictable aero at speed. Here's where emotion meets physics: a lightweight forged wheel wrapped in serious performance rubber, backed by carbon ceramic hardware with multi-piston clamping force. The goal is heat management, repeatable bite, and precise pedal feel, lap after lap. In a car this light and potent, braking isn't just stopping, it's carving speed exactly where you want, setting the chassis to rotate cleanly on corner entry. At the heart sits the Nettuno V6, twin-turbocharged, race-inspired, famous for its pre-chamber ignition tech. Output remains around 621 horsepower, paired to a slick dual-clutch gearbox for instant response. The packaging is tight and service-conscious, with thermal shielding and plumbing routed to minimize heat soak. It's the same charismatic power plant, now showcased in a subtly sharper body, more sensation than specification sheet changes, and that's exactly the point. The headline figures remain ferocious: about 621 horsepower from the Nettuno V6, sub-3-second blasts to 60, and a top speed in the 200 mph range. Add a carbon tub for rigidity and weight control, and doors that open with theatrical flourish. Whether in fixed roof form or the Cielo with its glass panel, the formula is pure performance, refined rather than reinvented. This evolution keeps the soul intact while sharpening the edges that count: cleaner aero, richer cabin touchpoints, and the same intoxicating heartbeat from the Nettuno V6. It's a supercar crafted for those who value sensation over spec sheet one-upmanship: beautiful, fast, and focused. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more cars showcases.